Have you ever thought that 1 month could change your family's financial future forever? Most families drift financially without a clear system or challenge. What if 30 days of focused habits could create lifelong wealth momentum? This challenge is simple but powerful and designed for real families. Every day builds discipline, clarity, and financial strength together. This is not about getting rich quick, but building rich habits fast. Families who do this together grow together financially and emotionally. This challenge turns money from a stress into a family mission. Your next 30 days could shape decades of financial security. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more family wealth blueprints. Family wealth is not built by luck, but by consistent habits shared at home. Most parents never teach money systems, so children repeat financial mistakes. As a structured 30-day challenge can reset habits and build a wealth foundation. Each day focuses on saving, spending, investing, and mindset together. Doing this as a family creates accountability and shared financial goals. Small daily actions compound into powerful long-term results. This challenge is designed to be simple, practical, and realistic. No complex finance knowledge is required to start and succeed. By the end of 30 days, your family will think about money differently. Let's break down the steps to build family wealth in just 1 month. Number 10, week 1, money awareness. The first week focuses on tracking every dollar your family spends with complete honesty and attention to detail. For 7 days, write down groceries, subscriptions, bills, snacks, transport, online shopping, and even the smallest impulse purchases that usually get ignored. This simple habit creates awareness of the hidden leaks that silently drain wealth over time. Most families believe they know their spending patterns, yet when the real numbers appear on paper, they are often surprised by how much disappears without purpose or planning. As the days pass, clear patterns begin to surface about needs versus wants and habits versus necessities. Discussing these findings openly as a family builds transparency and shared responsibility instead of guilt or blame. Children learn that money is finite and that every decision has a consequence, while parents gain clarity about priorities and unnecessary expenses. Awareness becomes the first powerful step toward financial control, discipline, and smarter choices. Without understanding where money is going, budgeting and investing are impossible. But with this knowledge, chaos slowly turns into clarity and confidence. Number 9, week 1, family money meeting. Many families avoid talking about money, which creates confusion, secrecy, and misunderstandings. Children often see money as a taboo topic, and parents may struggle to align financial goals or ensure accountability. Without open discussions, important priorities like vacations, education funds, or home improvements can be mismanaged, and family members feel excluded from financial decisions. Hold a weekly family money meeting where everyone discusses finances openly and honestly, creating a positive environment focused on learning and improvement. Share goals so all members understand priorities, and assign small roles to children to make them active participants, fostering teamwork and reducing secrecy. Regular meetings normalize money conversations, teach children that money is a tool, and build consistency, accountability, and a shared financial vision. Over time, this habit strengthens family bonds and becomes a hidden pillar of generational wealth. Number 8, week 2, saving challenge. In week 2, start a daily saving habit for every family member, no matter how small the amount. Even tiny contributions build discipline and demonstrate the power of compounding over time. Create visible jars or digital accounts for each person's savings to make progress tangible and motivating. Set fun goals such as rewards or family experiences tied to reaching savings milestones so the habit feels engaging rather than forced. Children learn the value of delayed gratification and long-term planning, while parents reinforce financial discipline through consistent action. By turning saving into a family game, emotional connection to financial growth develops naturally. Small, regular deposits create psychological momentum, and saving together builds a shared wealth identity in the household, making financial responsibility a collaborative and enjoyable habit for everyone. Number 7, week 2, expense elimination. Identify at least 3 unnecessary expenses to cut permanently, such as unused subscriptions, frequent dining out, or expensive service providers. Discuss as a family why these cuts matter and decide where the saved money will go instead. Redirect the savings immediately into emergency funds or investments to make the impact tangible. Children learn the concept of opportunity cost through real-life examples, understanding that every dollar spent has a trade-off. Cutting expenses creates instant financial breathing room and provides quick wins that motivate continued progress. This week demonstrates that wealth building often starts with subtraction, showing that discipline today lays the foundation for financial freedom tomorrow. Number 6, week 3, investing education. Introduce basic investing concepts such as stocks, funds, and compounding interest using simple, relatable examples like planting seeds that eventually grow into trees. Use real charts or apps to make investing tangible and exciting, and discuss long-term goals such as retirement, education, or financial independence. Children learn that money can grow and work for them even while they sleep, while parents reinforce disciplined investing habits through consistent guidance. This week transforms saving into active wealth building, turning financial literacy into a family tradition. Understanding investing early helps prevent fear and misinformation later, and equips the family with knowledge to convert passive money into long-term wealth engines. Number 5, week 3, family investment plan. Create a simple plan to invest a portion of your savings regularly, deciding together what percentages of money will go towards saving, investing, and spending. Use automated transfers to make investing effortless and consistent, and discuss risk levels and diversification in simple, easy-to-understand terms. Children learn important lessons in planning, patience, and long-term thinking, while parents model disciplined investing behavior for the household. Automation ensures that the plan continues without relying on motivation alone. This approach turns financial intentions into structured action, helping families see wealth building as a system rather than a gamble. Planning together also strengthens trust, confidence, and shared responsibility around money. Number 4, week 4, income creativity. Brainstorm ways to increase family income together, exploring ideas like freelancing, small businesses, or developing new skills. Assign children tasks to learn and experiment with skills or entrepreneurial ideas, fostering curiosity and initiative. This practice builds an abundance mindset, teaching children that income is expandable rather than fixed, as parents may discover new opportunities for financial growth, while the family collectively shifts focus from saving alone to actively generating more income. Creativity and innovation become shared values, accelerating wealth beyond budgeting, and thinking like creators helps shape a proactive and empowered financial future. Number 3, week 4, family financial goals. Set clear short-term and long-term financial goals as a family, such as building emergency funds, planning travel, saving for education, or upgrading the home. Write these goals visibly to reinforce commitment and motivation, and assign timelines and milestones for each objective. Children learn important skills like goal setting, planning, and delayed gratification, while parents gain clarity and a unified financial direction. Goals transform abstract money into meaningful purpose, building an emotional connection to financial discipline. Tracking progress increases motivation and accountability, and shared goals foster unity and purpose in managing money together. Number 2, family money. Habits reset. Replace bad habits with powerful financial routines, such as weekly budget reviews, automatic savings, and monthly investing. Reinforce positive behaviors through rewards and recognition, and discuss mistakes openly to adjust systems without judgment. Children learn a growth mindset and resilience with money, while parents model adaptability and continuous improvement. Strong habits ensure that wealth building continues beyond the challenge, with systems replacing reliance on motivation to secure long-term success. Daily routines transform financial chaos into structured progress, and these habit resets lay the foundation for generational financial discipline. Number 1, the 30-day wealth transformation. By day 30, your family will see measurable financial progress and a noticeable shift in habits. Savings increase steadily, unnecessary expenses are minimized, and investing begins to happen consistently, laying the foundation for long-term growth. Children develop a clear understanding of money, learning discipline, delayed gratification, and long-term thinking, while parents gain clarity, confidence, and structured financial systems that guide everyday decisions. The household starts operating as a cohesive unit where financial discussions are open, transparent, and productive. The family mindset transforms from mere consumption to creation, turning wealth into a shared mission rather than an individual burden. With every small habit reinforced over the month, momentum builds that can last for decades, showing the power of compounding, not just in money, but in behavior and mindset. Children internalize lessons of responsibility, opportunity cost, and strategic thinking, while parents model consistency, adaptability, and goal-oriented planning. This challenge proves that wealth is built together, not in isolation, and that families who act as a team can achieve financial clarity, resilience, and generational prosperity. By cultivating habits, systems, and shared values, your household evolves into a true financial team with a clear, actionable vision for the future, capable of turning small daily actions into massive long-term results. The 30-Day Family Wealth Challenge builds habits that last a lifetime. Tracking, spending, saving consistently, and investing early creates powerful compounding effects. Family meetings normalize money conversations and reduce fear or confusion. Goal setting aligns everyone toward a shared financial future. Income creativity expands opportunities beyond traditional limits. Habit resets ensure progress continues after the challenge ends. Children grow up financially literate and disciplined. Parents gain systems that simplify money management and reduce stress. Wealth building becomes a family culture rather than a solo effort. This challenge turns ordinary households into intentional wealth creators. 30 days can change how your family thinks about money forever. Simple habits, teamwork, and structure create lasting financial security. Start today and watch discipline turn into wealth over time. Your family's financial future begins with the actions you take this month. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more family wealth challenges and financial blueprints.